This is a 1980 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. It's a project bike, like most of the bikes I sell, but this one's quite good condition. Looks complete. I haven't had it running. The main reason I haven't tried, it hasn't got a key, and it's probably it's been stud. I can tell by all the green on it. So I'm just going to sell it as it is. The engine does turn over by rocking it in gear. The gears select. I can't remember. No, the brakes didn't work. Well, I didn't try the clutch. It's been stood a while. Got twin discs on the front. They're not the original clocks, but for what it's worth, it's 9,500 miles on the clock. So that'll be on eBay. If it's available, check it out.